this is a restaurant at Lee Meridian, Delhi Road. Soul Home. Then
Shake together.
shake together. Okay. Mix it.
So see, my fresh drink is almost ready.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं आपका दोस्त और आपका होस्ट अभिमन्यु फिर से आज आपके लिए एक व्लॉग लेके आया हूँ। और आज हम आए हैं ली मेरिडियन के अंदर, जहाँ पर ऑर्गेनिक फार्मिंग इन्होंने स्टार्ट करी है। लेकिन उससे पहले मैं आपको एक बात बताना चाहता हूँ कि यार आप मेरा सब्सक्राइब बटन में दबा दो, और जब आप सब्सक्राइब बटन दबाओ तो साथ में जो बेल आइकन है, ये आप बेल आइकन आपके उधर ही है, वो बेल आइकन दबा दो ताकि जब भी मैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो डालूँ तो सबसे पहले आपके पास आए। तो हाँ, मैं जैसे बताना चाह रहा हूँ आपको कि हम आ गए हैं आज ली मेरिडियन के अंदर, जो कि जयपुर में है, दिल्ली रोड पे। और यहाँ पर ऑर्गेनिक फार्मिंग के बारे में बताऊँगा मैं आपको, और फैशन शो भी और बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, वो सब मैं आपको कवर करूँगा।
Guys, you can see they have employed the farmers also, which is a very nice thing. And you can see, that's the idea of eating fresh things definitely give you so much nice feeling. So आज हम लोगों को जब बाहर खाने जाते हैं, so all junk food and everything is available. So in that time you are getting such a nice fresh foods and fruits and everything with such a nice ambience. So definitely I will recommend you to come here.
आमेर के बाद ये एक 5 स्टार होटल है, जहाँ पर ऑर्गेनिक फार्मिंग का एक कॉन्सेप्ट लेके आए हैं। और जैसे कि मैं बताना चाहता हूँ आपको, ऑर्गेनिक फार्मिंग क्या होती है सब पता होगा आपको, बट ऑर्गेनिक फार्मिंग ये खुद फार्म करते हैं। जो इनकी वेजिटेबल्स होती हैं वो नॉर्मल जो इनऑर्गेनिक फार्मिंग होती है उससे बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी होती है, लाइक हाई क्वालिटी होती है, क्योंकि ये लोग इसमें पेस्टिसाइड्स और केमिकल दोस फर्टिलाइजर्स डोंट ऐड इन इट, वो नेचुरल काउ डंग और इससे फार्म करते हैं। और देयर वेजिटेबल्स एंड प्रोडक्ट्स आर फार मोर सुपीरियर देन द नॉर्मल वेजिटेबल्स वी ईट, वी बाय इन द मार्केट। तो बहुत अच्छे कॉन्सेप्ट है, बहुत सारी यहाँ पर मुझे वैराइटीज़ लग रही है, स्पिनच की, बीटरूट की, पीस की, पोटैटो की, टोमेटो की। एंड आई विश दैट एवरीवन शुड डू इट। ये वेस्ट में कॉन्सेप्ट है, और सबसे ज़्यादा लीडिंग जो कंट्रीज़ हैं इसके अंदर वो कंट्रीज़ है अमेरिका, यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ अमेरिका, एंड जापान, चाइना एंड अर्जेंटीना। बट इंडिया इज ऑल्सो नेवरदलेस इट्स डूइंग वेरी वेल in organic farming, and in Jaipur also they have started doing it. तो इस चीज़ को आप बढ़ाइए, आगे से आगे करिए, और मैं आपको एक अच्छा सा इसका टूर कराता हूँ कि एक्चुअली ये है क्या। And like you can imagine, like अगर आप यहाँ आते हैं तो and you get to eat such nice vegetables, fresh vegetables, organic vegetables, and it's such a beautiful thing. I'll make you meet our chef. He's smiling. So sir, what's your name?
My name is Piyush. I'm the executive chef for the hotel.
Okay, I'm Abhimanyu, and we are from Food Travel and More. So I would like to know a little bit about the organic farming and what is it.
It's a huge piece of land
Okay.
which we use for growing our organic vegetables.
Okay.
The vegetables are more or less used in the hotel
Okay.
for the staff, for during
staff.
cafeterias, and for the guests as well.
For the guests.
Yeah. So we have 110 odd beds of vegetable growing.
Okay.
So in winter it blooms. Hard vegetable grows in summer, since in Jaipur the summers are extremely hot. So this is a restaurant which we thought of. We are launching a new restaurant which is called Soul Home.
Okay.
It's right there in the center.
Okay, right there. Yeah.
So the speciality of the restaurant is preparation of the dishes which are given to the guests.
Okay, so it's completely organic.
It is completely organic.
No inorganic, no fertilizers,
chemicals,
nothing.
Nothing is.
And you're not
used.
buying anything from outside, like vegetables and
See, we buy vegetables. We have tie-ups with the local farmers.
Local farmers,
We
okay.
also, we focus on reducing the carbon footprints of the menus.
Okay.
So everything within the vicinity of the hotel.
So the local farmers also use the organic farming, or they
So-
do inorganic farming?
So they are into organic farming. Since they do not produce a lot, So
Okay.
they generally use the traditional method of farming.
Okay.
So no chemical, no fertilizer being used. So we try to contact those farmers which are not growing a lot of vegetables, and we ask them to specially grow for
So
us.
okay, so the very nice. This is a new concept which Lee Meridian has done, and it's a Solom
It is called solo.
Solom restaurant. So I really recommend everyone, whoever is watching this, that if you are in Jaipur or anywhere near to Jaipur, please come here, visit here. And the speciality here is like they are producing organic food, organic farming they are doing, and उसी organic जो vegetables हैं उसी का ये लोग खाना बनाते हैं और आपको सर्व करते हैं. तो I really recommend this place and nice talking to you, sir.
Thank you so much.
अभिमान्यु. So जैसा कि आपने देखा, हमने आपकी बात कराई यहाँ के मेन शेफ से. उनका भी ये कहना है कि जो यहाँ की ऑर्गेनिक फार्मिंग होती है उसी को ये लोग सर्व करते हैं.
You can see there is live band और यहाँ पे there is a fashion show. You can see what a beautiful ambience. You can see the table, how they have decorated that, and it makes me so happy and so peaceful, and I think I'll be enjoying my dinner here. What are you making for me?
One cocktail, rosé,
Okay.
and one melon cube.
Melon cube, right? Yes. So what all you are adding in that?
And the base is watermelon,
Okay.
and lemon juice,
Okay.
black salt.
Okay.
This one. Water bottle there. So little bit of mint leaves, like 4 to 5 cubes. Some chunks, watermelon chunks. 10 to 15 ml lemon juice, fresh lemon juice squeeze. Little bit of water. And we'll blend together.
So see, my fresh drink is almost ready and it looks so nice. A lot of ice because summers have already started
7 of them also.
and it looks really nice.
You need to taste it and tell me like how is it.
Okay. He's topping up it with 7-Up,
Okay.
and in this, like, summers have already started, you guys know that, and I think this is really awesome for me.
And garnish with melon.
That's beautiful. Thank you.
So melon cube.
How's the taste of it?
It's very nice and
Like
very
this?
fresh. Too much.
Fresh?
It is really nice.
So you guys have added some organic. This is organic.
Like fresh
organic
mint we
farming?
have.
Fresh mint
mint,
and watermelon. which is
Watermelon
good.
chunks and fresh mint we have.
Okay.
Some chaat masala, black salt.
Okay.
So
That's
this
nice.
looks nice.
It looks
and I
quite
really like
yummy
it.
and
Yeah.
delicious. So now he's making a rosette for me, and we'll see what gin or whiskey or rum he's putting.
That is
It's
basically
adding
gin-based
in it.
cocktail.
Sorry, what is it?
That is gin-based cocktail.
Okay.
So that is your 45 ml gin, Tanqueray.
Okay, so it's a gin, 45
Yes,
ml
45
gin.
ml gin.
Okay. So after a long time, I'm going to have a cocktail today.
That is sweet vermouth, sir.
That's sweet.
It's martini rosé.
Okay, martini rosé.
Yes. So 10 to 15 ml.
10 to 15
Yes.
ml he's adding. 45 ml of gin he has
Gin.
added, and then after that 15 ml of
That's
martini.
Campari, sir.
Now that's liquor.
So 10 to 15 ml same.
10 to 15 ml. Nice.
Some flower petals. The flower petals, dry flower petals.
So
And
our
then
cocktail
little
looks
bit of rattle leaf, pan ka pata, sir.
okay. Very nice.
Little bit of lemon juice. Then shake together.
Then
Shake together.
shake together. Okay. Mix it. Shake it. The name of the cocktail is Rosé.
Yes.
So guys, as you can see, this wonderful bartender, Mr. Pankaj, he has made a cocktail, a blend of gin, whiskey, rum, and all the things he has added, and the name of the cocktail is Rosé.
Add some tonic water in there. Like olives.
Olives.
We just pit it with the gulukan.
Okay,
That rose flavor gulukan. So
Right.
cocktail is ready.
thank you. So now Mr. Pankaj has made a very nice blend of alcohol, like it's a cocktail, and the name of it is Rosé. So I'm going to taste it and tell you how is it. Nice. It's very nice. It has got some mint flavor and gulkan flavor and mint leaves is also there. And the flavor of pan is quite evident when you drink. Nice. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
This is my drink and this is really refreshing, and refreshing के अलावा मैं आपको बताना चाहती हूँ कि यहाँ reflexology is there, and then it's greenery all over, so you know you can feel that thing when you sit here for dinner or if you want to drink anything, so you feel from inside that you are having something really nice and soothing, and this is really soothing my mind.
It's a samak keteke. It's samak basically. It's a
Shamak.
fish.
It's a fish.
Fish.
Blend of fish and
It's a marination. Basically, some special taste and
Okay.
developed with the
So
marination.
fish है basically, ये marinated है और ये shamak.
Yeah,
That's the
it's a
name of the fish. And it's shamak fish.
Did you try the starters?
Yeah.
Very nice, very different.
These are
Little sweet
vadas.
is there. and
These
everything.
are mendu vadas which are made with tofus, and on top of it we have the cream of sambar.
Cream of sambar.
Yes.
So as you can see, they have got different starters there. Medu vada and fish, shamak fish. We have just shown you guys, and this is the lal mas samosa, right? It's a
Yes.
specialty of Rajasthan. But
Yes. Great, Chef को बुलाना. Chef.